The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 350, effective until 12 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties, in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Calvert, Carroll, Frederick, Hartford, Howard, Kent, Montgomery, Prince George's, Queen Anne's, and Talbot, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Adams and York, and the following, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Patapsco River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Choptank River, and Pawtuxet River. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.